During the Workers' Day commemorations held at Gwanzura Stadium, Mr. Saziba found himself without a platform to address the workers. This wasn't a mere oversight, but a deliberate decision by the Zctu, as revealed in a statement released by the Secretary General, Mr. Japhet Moyo. The statement, titled "Setting the Record Straight," details the sequence of events leading to the uncomfortable exit of Mr. Saziba. As per the recount, Mr. Saziba, who arrived late at the stadium, requested for a slot to speak on behalf of CCC. His request, however, was turned down. The refusal was based on a decision made by the Congress to not allow political parties to speak. This decision led to Mr. Saziba's abrupt departure, causing a disruption during the event. The incident has stirred up a storm of controversy, with some criticizing the Zctu's decision as an act of censorship. Others, however, have commended the Zctu for upholding their principles and prioritizing the workers' interests. Regardless of where one stands on the issue, one thing is clear. This incident has put a spotlight on the complex interplay between politics and trade unions in Zimbabwe. It serves as a stark reminder that while these entities may share common goals, their methods and priorities can often diverge, leading to tensions and disagreements. As the dust settles on this incident, one can only hope that all parties involved will learn from this experience and work towards fostering a more inclusive and mutually respectful dialogue in the future.